All right, gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. All right, so we're back for part two. All right, so we just put a boxing around this consolidation right here. You will get in after this break, after this retest. Okay, back to 48. It retested all the way back to 48, another key level before going back up to 48,500 around this key level. So we're at 500, waiting for it to break 48,500. Boom, to go to 49. Where it went all the way to 49 is where we got out. This is where we made this 2,171 at. All right, so this is all you really need to know. This is how you get sniper entries. You will go down to like a 15, boom. I mean, you go down to like a 5-2, okay, and you can, if you really want to get like a sniper entry, you'll go down to like a 5 right here, boom. You see that, you see that it retested all the way back to 48. All right, so now we're looking for buys. We could have gotten right here, boom, and roll this up, roll this up all the way up here. Still stayed in this trade. Just stay in this trade. Be patient. Be patient. Be conservative. Don't be no point in being aggressive until the box broke. So we got in as soon as the box broke aggressively. Boom. Okay. Aggressive trader could have also got in right here. Okay, and you would have been fine. You'd still been in profit. So we got in right here. Boom, right at 48,500 actually, and we rolled it all the way up to 49. Okay, so now it's at 48 right now, and we're waiting for a retest. It's at 48,863, and we see a retest at this last resistance right here. This is where it stopped at last time. You see it stopped up here, stopped here last time, stopped here last time. Okay, on a 5. So we're waiting for a price to retest and then go back up to 49, and then the 49,500 to, and then eventually to 50,000 will be the next key. So we wait for price to break the trend line. Boom, broke the trend line. Price broke the trend line on the 5-minute. Okay, I'm showing y'all on the 5-minute. It broke the trend line. Let me see. Show y'all on the 15. So on the 15, you see price was in a downtrend. Boom, it broke the trend line. Boom. Okay, now you know this trend line, this trend direction is now no longer in effect. Boom. If you would have missed that entry, you could have also waited for it to retest. Boom, wait for the retest. Boom, got in around this entry right here when it made another higher low right here. You could have got in. All right, then it started consolidating, wait for price to break the box, put a box around there, wait for price to break the box, boom, it broke the box, boom, we went to 49. All right, from 48 to 49, we're scraping. We have 5.10s on here for Bitcoin. We made 2,171. All right, we went to 49 and we got out. We wasn't greedy. We got out of the trade. All right, if we was day trading this, we would probably stay into this until about 5 o'clock, and it'll probably reach back up to 49,500 by then. But we're scraping for about an hour to 2 hours, maybe at tops, uh, 30 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay, all right. So we're looking for sniper entries by waiting for the next higher low. Okay, see higher high. You see it broke a structure. Boom, right here. Made a higher high, made another higher low. Boom, higher high. Could have got in when it made this higher low right here. Boom, made another higher high. Could have got in on this next higher low. Okay, aggressively. Boom, went back up. All right, and then started consolidating, for a little bit before breaking through again and continuation. Okay, so a conservative trader will wait for the break of that box to get in to the continuation of the trend. Aggressive trader would have got in probably around here. Okay, probably around here. Okay, price never went back down here. It did wick, wick, wick. You see the wicks. Once you see wicks, what did that mean? Which means that most of the time when you see wicks and you see like price starting to wick and doesn't want to break through again and start making lower lows, like we're going back down, you're just seeing it start to wick, 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 wick. And finally, that means that price doesn't want to go to that area anymore. It doesn't want to go back down. So it's wicking, wicking, wicking. So we put a box around that because it showed a lot of wicks. Okay, and then it finally broke through. Boom, all the way up to 49. Okay, and that's how you trade. All right, we go off the candlesticks. All right, it was in a downtrend. We see a bearish engulfing pattern right here, a little tweezer top right here. Boom. We could have gotten right here or off this higher low. You know that price is if it's in an uptrend, and which it is, after we seen this confirmation that price doesn't want to be in a downtrend no more, we can draw the uptrend right here from here to here. Once we seen price was in, once we seen price was in an uptrend, we could really draw it right here. Boom, it's more better. We see price was in an uptrend. Boom, we seen it bounce off the uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4. Went down a little bit. Went down a little bit. And you feel me? 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. It bounced off of it. Bounced off of it like 3 or 4 times in the uptrend. So price is in an uptrend. Okay. We could draw the uptrend right here also. Probably be a better point to draw the uptrend at. Okay. So once we seen price, so now we know that price is in the uptrend. Okay. It was in a downtrend. Now it's in the uptrend. Clear as day. Boom. It broke this downtrend right here. And it's back in the uptrend. Okay. It was in the uptrend a few days ago too. You can just check and go back and see what price was doing in the past. It was in the uptrend. Okay, so same thing. You draw your trend lines. Once it breaks the trend line, boom, makes another higher low. You can get in for entries. Okay, so boom, draw your box around the consolidation right here. You're seeing it wick, wick, wick. We know that a lot of wicks means that price doesn't want to go back to that area no more. All right, so now we're scrolling down to the 15 and the 5 to see what price wants to do. Okay, boom, it made a higher high, broke this box, made another higher high, broke this last lower high, this last higher low right here, and made another higher high. And then it made another lower high. Boom, we could have got in right here on this next little lower high right here on the 5. Scraping, boom, all the way back up to 49. All right, so this is how we do it, and it's back to 48. All right, we're probably going to try to retest this 48,500 level right here and get close to it before going back up to 49,000. Okay, then 49,500 will be the next key level, then 50,000. All right, so remember we trade in key levels. All right, so once you start seeing it wicking, wicking, and wicking a lot. That's telling us price is telling us that it doesn't want to go here anymore. The wicks mean a lot. Okay, so pay attention to the wicks. When you see a wick and it's on an uptrend, you're gonna see it wicking. You're gonna see it wicking down like here, and if it's in a true uptrend, it's going to be wicking down right here. That you know that price doesn't want to retest. It doesn't want to go down here anymore. Okay, if you retested a few times, it didn't break. Okay, it broke up. So just pay attention to the wicks. Pay attention to what the candlesticks are looking like. What the candlesticks are telling you. All right, made another triple candlestick pattern. We see 3 green candlesticks pattern or blue candlestick patterns. It means that price is going up. Back to back, yeah, it means price is going up. So pay attention to the candlesticks. It retested this level. It will retest 48,500 a few times before going back up. All right, it looks like it wants to test 48,500. It's at 48,650. We definitely could have gotten this trade and rolled that back down. Okay, but we're out of this trade, you know. So the next level we'll go to will be 4,900, 49,000. Okay, so wait for the retest. Wait to retest one of these levels, 48,500 or this box level before getting back in. Right now would be a great time to get back in. You just wait for the break. You're going to wait for this break right here to go back up. Once it goes back up, it's retesting right now. You get in. You get in for another buy right now. Retesting. It's a great time to get in for some buys. All right. So I hope these videos help. This is what it looks like, gang. All right. On when we're trading. All right. So you can tell that on a 4-hour right here. Boom. You can tell this on a 4-hour that was going up. You know, for the day. It was going up. That's the box right there. All right, gang. So I hope these videos help. Your boy Nature, aka Nature. All right, gang.